I am an immigrant. I arrived in 2009, and basically when I arrived I was an international student and I don't have many opportunities to dance in the way that I was dancing before from my country, in Colombia. I'm a professional dancer, so I grew up with my mom is dancer. So I'm very passionate about dance, and as soon as I arrived, I don't have this opportunity, but I have like a really special friends. Camilo is one of them. They paid attention, the need that I have to really show what was my experience from Colombia about folk dance, and this sort of a mixture with contemporary dance too. Many friends, international students, people that we were arriving in that moment, we decided to just meet in and start dancing, isn't it? Camilo was like that.
Yeah. I wasn't dancing back in Colombia, so I came to Australia, and after 6 years living in Australia, I started dancing with Kath, and it was a change of my mind. So it was like, it's weird because never in Colombia I was interested until I'm outside of Colombia, that it came. The love for cumbia and all our folk.
Yeah, cumbia is a sound, is a beat, is actually a rhythm that comes from different parts in Latin America, grows and basically develops itself from different ages and times in different countries. But we would like to talk about from Colombia, cumbia, Colombian culture.
Cumbia colombiana.
Yes, cumbia colombiana. Historically is the oldest one. Basically is the mixture between three races, African, Europeans and indigenous. The Africans, they were slaves and they were took by the European people as well as the indigenous. And they were escaping. Cumbia basically grows and born from in the way that they escape through the night.
Every night, yeah, exactly. Every night for you to escape of the slavery, you start dancing.
We dance cumbia around the fire and around the drums.
You can see as well in the music, because you can see the percussions that come from Africa, the gaita or the flute that is coming from indigenous, and the singing that's coming from Europeans, like especially Spanish people.
It's a dance of couple, so basically it's how we building the relationship and how the guy tries to seduce and pursues women.
It's a courtship dance, so yeah, we as men, we want to pick up the girl. And basically every single step that you are gonna do, that's the main objective. So the main objective is to flirt with her, making her that feel that she's so special, and she's just at the beginning saying like no, 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 and if the guy continues and continues, he will get her at the end.
Maybe.
So all our steps is based on that.
And actually she defends herself and she's very imponent, and always she hide it through a pouch of candles. It's very big, so all the paraffin is going down, and all the vibration of like a warm energy, and that relationship building, so like a rising up through the dance. So it's quite special because this occasion Camilo is going to show how he needs to do a lot of things to try to just make me feel good and probably accept our relation, if is that the case. It's quite special in the way that the women, in particular in this dance, has a spot or place to be, to give herself the respect from the relationship with the partner. Very spontaneous as well, very happy and very unique. I guess that is very important, how we try to find different forms to escape or actually to oxygenate ourselves to like a living or be happy. So it's a quite important manifestation to respect the vibration and the feelings that we have in our intimacy by our own, and as well the intimacy as a relationship. So it is a combination, but it's quite important the role of each of us,
and
yes.
You will see, yeah, exactly. All the dance is about that tension that couple can get.
Dance for me is life, is the way how I feel. I am Kathleen, I am alive, I love dance. So any kind of dance, any kind of style, even just a self-expression. So for me it is the most important thing that I really do in my life, dancing.
Cumbia in this case, for me, when I'm dancing, it's like I can transport myself to different places. When you are under pressure, under stress, as soon as you start dancing, everything around you vanishes, and it's I can understand now them when as they start dancing, he can just be himself, and same I feel like now, be myself when I'm dancing.
To dance, no matter where is the place, actually how you travel into yourself, how you use the body and the powers or the contents of the body, that is basically a universe. Everything comes from the internal to really expand and explore and give out a way that feeling that I have at the moment when I'm dancing.
Cumbia is a really happy rhythm. So as soon as you hear it, the first thing that it comes to my mind is a smile, and I start moving my hips. And that's but yes, yeah. So it's a really happy rhythm, and it means for me happiness. Yeah.
We are very excited about this opportunity and how we can engage with the people. Most of the time, the audience connects with what we're showing up because it's very personal. So basically, it's very magical what you going to see and explore. Hola gente, this is a special invitation to join us in a cumbia workshop. It's a fantastic opportunity to engage yourself, to understand movement and expression itself.
In this cumbia workshop at Sabores Latinos, you will experience the music, all the instruments of cumbia, and the most important, the dance and the happiness of all our people in Colombia.
Yes, so you will enjoy lots.
Let's cumbia!